Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Amy, and today is going to be a new year clean with me. I'm going to start off in my kitchen, and then I'll move on to the laundry, the windows, vacuuming, and finally I'll show you what I'm making for dinner. So I hope this gives you some cleaning motivation to start off the new year, and let's get started. Okay, so I've got laundry going right now, and I just wanted to come over here into the living room and show you. I probably shouldn't even show you this, but there's cat puke on the floor. Okay, so I have pre-treated the stains that the cats left. There's actually two there, and then there's one over here. And I just used this Resolve. I'm actually standing in my morning room right now because the light's pretty good in here. It did snow a little bit, if you can see behind me or not. It's pretty much melted by now, but it did snow a little bit last night. So, got laundry going, the stains are treated, and I am going to clean the windows, and I still need to vacuum and make dinner and do all kinds of things, but one thing at a time. We're gonna do the windows. I'll be using my Swiffer duster, coffee filters, and my homemade glass cleaner.
I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. 'Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you.
you're stuck inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do, you got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now, do now. Only problem is I love you so damn much. Every word you say, every time we touch. I love you now. I want you.
So before I get started vacuuming up here, I just wanted to show you how bad it is. This is my office, and there's these little white fuzzies all over the floor, and I don't know what it is. I think it must be from my new Christmas socks that I got. Those really comfortable ones with like they're aloe infused. So yeah, I think that's what the problem is, but I'm gonna try to vacuum all that up. So I had one more basket of laundry to fold, but I did that later in the evening after dinner. And for dinner, I'm making chicken noodle soup. This recipe is from Tara Shattuck here on YouTube, and I'll link her Cook With Me video up above.
You're beautiful.
So it's been a long day, messy hair, don't care. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!